One of the hardest things I found when starting university was making course friends. You'd go into lectures and there was over 200 people and you didn't know who to talk to. Even if you did talk to someone, it was hard to find them again in your next lecture. So here are 5 tips on how to make friends in your first term. Tip number 1. Try and use your LEC 101 and LEC 115 tutorial groups to organise social activities so you can meet up between your fortnightly tutorial events. Tip number 2. Try and use your group project meetings to maybe suggest going out for coffee afterwards or talk about other things whilst you're doing your work as well. You know you'll be meeting them on a regular basis and it's a great way to make friends. Tip number 3. Although it's nerve-wracking, just go ahead and talk to whoever sat next to you in your lectures. Tip number 4. Sign up to your subject society. For LEC students, this will be LECSOG. You can sign up at Freshers' Fair, and this is a great way to get to know people on your course without you having to organise the events. Tip number 5. Find out people on your course who live in your college and try and meet up and walk to lectures together.